Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad that you're here with me here today. Having fun adjusting my shirt. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'm very excited. I've got a new box to the channel. I'm going to try it for a couple months and see how you guys like it. I'm going to see if I like it, see if we like it. I've heard lots of good things about it. It is the Eyescream box. It's a nice marble box. And I marked out my information. Some people just don't think about just marking out the information. Instead, you don't have to hide the label if you mark your name out. Rocket science. We are opening the box. Oh, it looks like it is September's box. It's got little peanuts in it, which I hate peanuts. They get everywhere. And it is the school is in session. And this was a $21 box with like $8.90 in shipping. Let's see if I can't get rid of some of these peanuts. Ooh, it looks like we've got a beautiful palette in here. And it's got a card that tells me what everything is and what it costs. And I will get my calculator out. Calculator. I'm going to add up the numbers to see if it's a good value. Is it a good value? It remains to be seen, doesn't it? So it looks like there are 5 items in here. And the first thing that I'm going to pull out is wrapped very nicely with some little foam paper. Very secure. And even though I don't like the peanuts, it's really good. It takes a lot of the impact out of things getting tossed around. And I ordered this box kind of in the middle of September, so it's interesting that I thought I'd just get October's box, but September, cool. And this is Bellapierre Cosmetics Ultra Glow Highlighting and Bronzing Palette. And this is a $29 palette. Bellapierre stuff is always high ticket items, high prices. Now, it's very pretty, and it looks like this would be a great palette for some people. I've got so many highlighters and bronzers that this is gonna go in a giveaway. So I'll put the little plastic protector back on. But that's nice. That's the value of the box right there. Then we have from My Couture Downtown oil blotting papers. I don't usually have a very oily face, but these are very nice to have. And bronzing papers. They're 2 in 1. I'm not going to open them just because I know I won't use them, but like I said, I've got a giveaway coming up I'm going to do for Halloween. A spooky giveaway. I have decided. We'll see how that'll be something that could go in there. Then we have from Basic Beauty, the Bougie Wine Tasting Trio Blush Palette. I do love some blushes. And the bronzing sheets were $18. And the Wine Tasting Palette blush is $30. And I've gotten some Basic Beauty stuff in other boxes. I don't have my fake nails no more. Well, they were my nails. They just had stuff on them. But I'm just doing nail stickers right now with little bats and glitters and stuff give my nails a little bit of a break. And there's the palette, very pretty. Woo! I don't have any of these colors. These are deep and beautiful, and I can see going in on these very lightly and getting some beautiful payoff. I think I'm going to keep that. And that was $30. And then we have the Mirabelle Lip Crayon, and this is $20. I usually just use liquid matte lips, and then today I have a little gloss on one. And this is a very beautiful color. Look at that, that's gorgeous. Careful with that. That is a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm very picky about things. Who isn't picky about things that they like? I am very picky. And then last but not least is the palette that's in the box. And it is an Ace Beauté palette. It's not Ace Butte. There's a little squishy thing over the E that makes it Beauté. And this is the Blossom Passion, which I don't have. And this palette is $35, which brings our box to $132 value. I can't wait to see what it looks like. It's they always have beautiful packaging. Ooh, look at those colors. Those are gorgeous. And that is a really nice transition palette between summer and fall. Even though it is fall, it's still warm. So these colors will still look great year round. So not too shabby. So I got 5 full-size items for, well, with the shipping, for like 30 bucks. So I got this palette, I got a lip crayon, I got a blush palette, I got blotting papers, and I got a bronzing palette with a highlighter. So not too bad. I'm gonna give them a couple months and see what I think. Most of these things are things that I'm not going to use, but that's okay. I don't have to use everything that I get in the box. Oh, setting that box down. But, you know, not bad for a first palette or first box to get with somebody. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.